Hey guys, Andrew King here. Welcome to this GetResponse review. In today's video, I'm going to show you why GetResponse is one of the best autoresponders out there and why should you get it. And I'm also going to show you what the main features of this autoresponders and why should you choose it over all the other autoresponders. So basically, we're gonna go to the main thing that most people are looking for, which is the pricing and the services. So we're gonna compare the pricing and the services for GetResponse with some other autoresponders. As you can see here, guys, the basic version for GetResponse for 1,000 subscribers is $15 per month, and you get access to all these features. Now in Aweber, it's $19 per month for 500 subscribers, and you get approximately the same features as GetResponse. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see all the features available in the basic version. Now, we're going to talk about these features after this. So basically, the next thing we're going to compare active campaign as well to GetResponse. So for the same version, for the basic version that you get $15 per month on GetResponse, you're gonna get for here, as you can see, for 1,000 subscribers. I'm gonna make it 1,000. So for 1,000 subscribers, you get it for $17, and you get approximately the same features. If not, they are the same for $17, which is still more pricey than GetResponse. Now, if we hire it up to 2,000 subscribers, it's $25. As for I'm gonna go for 2,000. So we have 2,500. It's $39 per month versus $25. Still getting a better deal with the same features right here. You can check these features yourself. And as for the last one is gonna be ConvertKit. For 1,000 subscribers, you're gonna get for $29. As for here, if we go to 1,000, if we choose 1,000, I don't know how to choose this. For 1,000, you get it for $15 for the basic version, and here you get it for $29, which is super expensive. And you get the same exact features on ConvertKit. You get them on the basic version of GetResponse. Now let's log in and check the main features of GetResponse. So I'm gonna click on login. I'm gonna log into my account. Now, if you want to purchase of, if you want to get response anytime during watching this video, you'll find a link down below for the 30 days free trial. You can click on it and get started with get response today. So basically, once you log in, this is the main dashboard of the basic version. We have here on the top list, reports, and draft. If you click on list, all your lists will pop up. You can create a new list. You can name it right here and then click on create, and you can add contacts to a certain list. You can either import them or type them manually one by one. You're gonna type in the email and the name of the subscribers, and then you click on I have permission to add this person to my list, and you click on add. Now once you do that, the person will be added to your list. The next thing you can do is you can click on here on segment or segment. You can contact list. Don't have saved segment. You can add some segments right here. You get some statistics by clicking on statistics. You can get statistics on your lists. So basically, I'm going to choose one of my lists right here, and you get all these statistics as you can see, which is really, really cool. Now, if we go back to lists right here, you get all these main features as well. If we go and click on reports, it will show you all the reports about your list. You can select your list. For example, I selected this list, and then you can select the newsletter. And then once you do that, you can compare it to another newsletter. It will show you some info right here on the summary. You get the open rates, the click rates, the unsubscribe rates, and all the info you need to know about this newsletter. Now, if we go back to the main menu, you can on the site right here, you can create form. This is quick actions. Now with quick actions, you can do multiple tasks really quick, because if you are in a hurry and you log in to GetResponse, you want to build a newsletter really fast and send it to your subscribers, you just click on newsletter, create a newsletter, and then you can create a message and schedule it right here to be sent later, or you can send it immediately. So the next thing you can do, you can create a landing page, you can add some contacts and create autoresponder. I find this gesture really great because it helps to save time. So you don't have to click here and then choose what you want to do. Well, basically, if you click on the main menu, here is the main feature that you can use with this autoresponder. So you can set up autoresponder messages to go out. So I here have some messages that will go out to a certain list. So I have one message, one welcome message, and 5 email follow-ups. Now this welcome message will be sent right after when someone opts in one of my lists. Now this second message will be sent one day after that person signed up. The second message is after 2 days, and you can select the time as well. So I selected the second message to be sent at 9 a.m. on the second date. On the third date, I selected to be sent on 7 p.m. and on the fourth date and the fifth date, as you can see right here. And on the side of each message, you have the delivery number, how many people did receive your message. You have the open rate, how many people opened, and you have the click rate. So really cool, really useful information. As for the next feature is gonna be the automation. This is what I love about GetResponse. Now automation is really great because you can build automations with this. So I'm gonna click on start with a workflow. Then you can build it from scratch on, or you can select a pre-made workflow. So I'm gonna use this template, for example, and I'm gonna show you what are the capabilities. So when someone clicks on this newsletter, so you're going to choose the newsletter. So when someone clicks any link, on this, he's going to be sent he's going to be assigned to a specific tag. So for example, I'm going to name this tag Andrew. You can name it whatever you want. Now, if he does click the link on this newsletter, I'm gonna choose an autoresponder, and then I'm gonna choose any link. So if he clicks on any link of the autoresponders, he will be assigned to a tag. He will be assigned to another tag, or to the same tag. Now, once they are assigned to these tags, they will be entered to another autoresponder. I can set this autoresponder inside GetResponse, so I can differentiate between my subscribers. Same thing for here. whenever someone opens this or clicks this newsletter link, he will be assigned to this specific tag. So you're gonna choose the tag. You can choose another tag if you want. Then if they don't click on any links, they will be assigned to another tag and they will be sent another automation of messages. So this is really, really great if you are starting out. You can choose your workflow. You can choose people who signed in. You can choose people, you can categorize the people who clicked on your link and the people who didn't. And you can put them in specific automation and send them specific newsletters. This is really, really great tool for email marketers. Now, how do we make money with GetResponse? Now, GetResponse has an affiliate system. If you click here by the side and you click on affiliate program, you can earn 33% commission by referring your friends. So basically, you're gonna sign up to their affiliate program and you're gonna promote this to your friends and make money through GetResponse. I hope you like my review video. So if you like to get GetResponse 30 days free trial, or if you are thinking about getting GetResponse, I'll leave link down below. Like I said, you can get your subscription today. And I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell for more tutorial videos, and I see you in the next one. Peace out.